Most of the time, we don't pay much attention to shadows unless we are trying to escape the sun on a hot day. Coming up, we'll take a closer look at shadows and how they influence our perception. Using shadows can help you create a more three-dimensional feel to your projects. Here are some easy things to remember. The closer the object casting the shadow, the sharper the shadow's edge. Take this coffee cup. Closer to the wall, it casts a sharp shadow, but move it away from the wall. The softer the spill, undefined edges become obscure. Also, small intense lights give shadows a sharper edge than larger diffused lights. You can also create colored shadows. Normally, shadows are black or gray. This green shadow is created by casting a shadow with a red light, then illuminating the shadow with white light. As you add the white light, the shadow turns green. It's fun to experiment. For a blue shadow, use orange light. Create a yellow shadow by using a purple light. If you are doing an interview but have a boring background, don't worry. You can use a tool called Cookie, short for Q-coloris, to make it more interesting. Casting a shadow through this simple cutout turns an ugly wall beautiful. Shadows can also be dramatic. Compare this shot of a woman in a hat to a profile of her. Do you really need to show a gun, or would a shadow make a bigger bang? Shadows and light are an important key to great video, and the best way to get good at it is with practice. Ha ha, practice.